Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX Tech Chat. My name is David McHenry. I am the Engineering and Technical Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. Today we are at the close of IMTS 2022. If you missed it, we want to give you a brief rundown of what you missed. If you came, we definitely want to thank you for stopping by the booth and seeing the new product. So let's not waste time, let's show you what's new. One of the first items that you might have missed if you didn't come to the show is something as simple as a spindle taper cleaner. We've decided that along with our tool holder taper cleaner, it'd be a good idea to offer something to clean the spindle out. These are made in Switzerland. They are high quality with leatherette inserts that are recessed into the plastic for more rigidity and longer lifespan. Offered in most sizes that you'd want to have. Reach out to the tech team for the overall offering. As you might know, we've come out with the Master Bar system. We've been increasing our offering throughout the year in these. These are very good ways to make sure your machine has proper TIR and that your Z-axis is traversing correctly. Definitely take a look online, see what the offering is, see if we have something that will work for you. All right. The 3D Edge Master. Wanted to make sure you guys get a good chance to see this when you're trying to find your part and do your setup to know exactly where your part starts in your machine, or to make sure your machine block is square. Make sure you take a look. They are available in metric and inch sizes. They are also available in a set that comes with multiple tips and tip lengths. The Recool line has been a constantly growing product line for us, and this year we've released the high-speed Recool. This is a Recool unit in gold that you can see here. It is good for 40,000 RPMs and is available in ER11 and ER16. Please check the website for additional information on the new Recool options. When you think of REGO-FIX, you normally don't think of lathe options or being able to cross that aisle to sell REGO-FIX product to your lathe customers. Well, we now have options that allow the powRgrip system to cross that aisle. We have the WTO Quick Flex system. We have the EWS VX system. We also have PST, or the Capto-based lathe system to fit your live heads. If you have any application with your live head and you want to bring powRgrip with the repeatability, the vibration dampening into your process, reach out to our tech team. Grinding arbors for internal grinding. If you have a machine that has an HJNZ spindle connection, well, we now offer a powRgrip option for you in PG25 and PG15, and we are adding sizes constantly. This is a product that was developed from our own use, high vibration dampening, high repeatability, and you get that REGO-FIX accuracy. So if you have an HJNZ spindle for internal grinding, take a look at our new offering. One of the most featured and most questioned items that we actually have on display at IMTS 2022, well, that's PG48. We're showing the first and next evolution of the powRgrip PG48. Tools up to 40 millimeters, 1.5 inch diameter. If you missed it, it's a monster. We definitely want to thank our partners that were here at IMTS that featured our powRgrip or any REGO-FIX products in your booth or in your displays. As part of our thank you to them, we had QR codes set up in our booth, making it nice and easy to find them. Well, if you didn't make it to IMTS, you can find that listing down below. As always, if you have any questions about the REGO-FIX product, reach out to your REGO-FIX technical team. We are here to help you.